it's creams that you're doing today, gels, solutions, all that type of thing we would usually do in here. So I mean, like, you know, we've got everything here that we need to make and test. So today, what I'm going to get you to do, if you would like, is to make aqueous creams. So we're going to do a simplified way of making them. So the students, whenever they're here on both courses, both within the pharmaceutical biosciences and within the M-Pharm, will make them. Okay. So what we're going to say, we're going to do a simplified version of it, and because it is a simplified version of it, unfortunately you can't take it out from the lab, okay, because it doesn't have all the things in it that we would normally give to make it safe. It is safe, but we just don't want you taking it out of the lab. So please, once you're finished with it, take pictures, do whatever, but please don't remove them from the lab. So what we've got is, at each station there is a hot plate, and there's going to be a crucible on the hot plate. So there is emulsifying ointment there, and that's the base of the cream. So what we've got small palette knives there. So really, there's the three of us that are going to go round, but just basically 2 good sized scoops of that probably be the best way to do it. Did you get one? Oh, brilliant. So once you've done that, you're going to then put it onto the hot plate and let it heat up to about 60 degrees is what we've got here. And then once that's melted, you then want to very gradually add in about 20 drops of water. This needs to be gradual because you can't just add the water straight to it, or else it will just split apart immediately. It won't work. So we've got wee droppers there, so if you can just please do it gradually for about 20 drops of water and keep mixing. That's the thing, you have to keep mixing it. Once it's melted, then what you're going to do is take it off the hot plate and just let it cool. We've got ice sitting here, and we've got ice sitting at the back bench also. So what we're going to do is just to sort of expedite things, plunge your emulsifying ointment into the ice, just to cool it down faster for you, and keep mixing. Now I've got here fluffy. So what will actually happen is the cream will start to melt. When it starts to form, you'll see it sort of rising, and it'll turn very white. So once that happens, so think about any type of creams that you've seen, any moisturising creams or any type of creams that you've seen, that's the look you want. So that's why I've written fluffy. So once it's cool, we've got a lot of flavourings just sitting here. It's up to you. You choose whatever flavourings and colours that you want to add in. That's entirely up to you, whatever you want. So, sorry? Somebody else up there? No? So,
can I just say that use of the word flavouring does not imply it's suitable for consumption.
Yeah, do not eat it. Please don't eat it. I know I said about not removing it from the lab. That also includes your stomach. Okay, so please do not do that. And then, as I say, give that a good mix up. And once you've done that, we've got tubs for you that you can add the cream in, and we'll show you how to do that correctly in the way that you would normally do it. And then we've got labels just to finish off the whole product. So you've seen it from start to finish. Okay, so that's what we plan to do. Does anybody have any questions?
Can I just say, folks, that just at the end of the bench here, you'll see that there's blue gloves. Not again that anything's necessarily sort of harmful, but again, you maybe just don't want your hands to get all greasy and things. So again, just throw those on.
Everything is safe. Okay, it is safe.
Here and up here.